home. After you've assembled the hoop, you want to put some stress on the joints to make sure that it's properly connected. It looks good. So now, let's take a minute and let me teach you how to use your hula hoop. So when using your hoop, you want to start by feeling the hoop on your lower back. Okay? You want your feet to be spread apart, about shoulder width. Okay? Your knees are slightly bent. Your abs are flexed. Your back is flexed, as well as your glutes and your hips and your thighs. So let's start just by slinging the hula hoop in one direction. We're not going to add hip movements at this point. Only going to fling it around your body, okay? Catch it. So find a comfortable place on your waist to fling it around. One more time. Very good. So now let's set our hula hoop down and work on our hip movements. So again, your feet are spread apart, your knees are slightly bent, and your abs are flexed, your back is flexed, and your glutes are flexed. So we want to do very controlled, small circles with our hips, okay? Circles with our hips, okay? Just very small and very controlled. No out of control wide circles. This will not keep the hula hoop up. Just small, controlled circles. Okay? So let's combine these movements, okay? Take your hoop, put it against your lower back. Make sure your feet are spread apart. As we fling the hula hoop, we want to match our hip rotations with the hoop rotations, okay? So, pretty easy. If it falls down for you, that's okay. Just pick it back up and try it again. The goal of hula hooping is to keep the hoop rotating around your waist for as long as possible. It gives you a great workout. So, there are many benefits to hooping. One is that it helps to slim your waist. It will strengthen your abs, your back muscles, your glutes, your hips, and your thighs. It also gives you a great cardio workout by increasing your heart rate and the amount of oxygen that goes to your brain. After a hoop workout, you'll feel as if you've just had a power nap. So, if you want to hoop, please only have your first workout last 5 minutes. You can increase your workout time as your core muscles strengthen. Overuse of the hoop may cause soreness and bruising. If you are pregnant, have health problems, or spinal injuries, please consult a doctor before using a hoop. If you're interested in more information, go to www.weighthoop.com.